Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest updates and features on popular apps like WhatsApp. Today, we're going to show you how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp for PC, a feature that not only enhances the app's aesthetics, but also reduces eye strain, especially in low-light environments. First, let's open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it's up and running, you'll notice a gear icon located on the left side of the screen. This is where you access the settings. Click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. Now navigate to the Personalization tab. This is where you can customize the look and feel of WhatsApp to suit your preferences. Click on Personalization to proceed. In the Personalization section, you'll find the Theme option. This is where you can switch between light and dark modes. Under Theme, select Dark from the available options. This will immediately change the background of WhatsApp to a darker shade, making it easier on your eyes and giving the app a sleek, modern look. By enabling dark mode, you're not just improving the visual appeal of WhatsApp, you're also contributing to better battery efficiency if you're using a device with an OLED screen. Plus, it's a great way to customize your experience based on your personal preferences or the environment you're in. Once you've selected the dark theme, click OK to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on WhatsApp for PC. If you ever want to switch back to the light theme, simply follow these same steps and select light instead. Dark mode is a feature that many users appreciate for its ability to reduce glare and make the app more comfortable to use during the night or in dimly lit spaces. It's also a stylish option that can match your device's overall theme if you choose the system default option. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips on using WhatsApp and other popular apps.